Hello everybody, thanks and welcome to the bush. You know, here by the bush, we don't just have animals that walk here by the land here, by the ground path, okay? You know, sometimes you need to take a little bit of a break and go a little bit to the water, okay? Spend a morning there en gaan visvang. Fish catch. Ja, daar 'n nice little breakaway sport, nee? Everybody likes to catch fish, okay? Groot vis, klein vis. And you guys, so when you come into the water here, just be sure that you dress warmly, okay? Because it's not bloody cold here. That's why I'm sitting here by my hurricane. Now I'm not taking a bos poofie. I am being like Racheltjie de Beer se boetie in die muurhoopie die. Because it's are cold here. Even my snot are frozen. And you guys, it are lekker, but one thing you got to bear in mind, when you come to make fishing, jy gaan nie 'n walvis vang in 'n plaasdam nie. Okay. You are not going to catch a wallfish by the dam here. Okay. You'll get carp and modderbekkies and sulke things, which are quite nice, and it are a nice little struggle there by the water there. You always have to have the right bait. Okay. Don't come here with a stukkie biltong on a line here and throw there by the water there. Okay. These things are not vicious animals. Okay. They want like a wurmpie or something colourful like a jelly bean. Yeah. I know. I are professional by the catching of the fish here. Okay, 2 vissies en 5 brode. Ja. Dit is 'n lekker sport hier, but when you catch it, and it run with your line, don't be an idiot and go climb in the water there and leave your stock by the side here. Okay, you need to reel it in. Okay, and then pull it to the side and then catch it with a net. Okay, because if you're gonna go in there, there are crocodiles and hippopotamuses there, by the water there. So it can get quite dangerous. So yeah, be very careful when you go by the fish catching there. Okay, and matigheid voor oë. Leave the other fishies for the other mense as well to catch there by the water. And for the animals, like a crocodiles and hippopotamuses. Okay, thanks.